Alexis, welcome to our Animal Adventures virtual program. We're going to be bringing out several animals that can be found around the world. That tongue actually happens to be about 14 inches long. We're going to meet our sharply dressed guest of the day. His name is Nigel, and he is a prehensile-tailed porcupine. That is a great question. Sloths spend almost their entire lives upside down. I do want to thank you all for tuning in today. We hope to see you very soon at the Dallas Zoo.